Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Adda and thank you for liking my videos. Today I am going to end this section of basic maths. Today it will be last class and we are going to do irrational equation and inequalities. This topic generally is skipped by teachers and even kids also feel this part of it heavy. So let's see what is there in. So let's start. So square root of fx is equal to psi x. How to solve this type of equations? When I see root of fx, first thing is if you want to solve this equation must be defined, and this will be defined only when this fx is greater than equal to 0. If fx is less than 0, it cannot be defined. Now this root fx will be positive, right? So this means what? Psi x also should be positive, otherwise there is no point in solving this. Root fx is equal to negative, it will not be true. So fx would be greater than equal to 0, at the same time psi x will be greater than equal to 0. And when these two conditions are satisfied, we will proceed to solve this equation. Square both sides, and then it is fx on the left side and this is psi square x. Now we can simplify it further. What we can do, we can write like this. If fx is psi square, certainly it is positive. So what is the point in writing this one? We will not write it. It is kind of writing same thing two times. So we will write this one, psi x greater than equal to 0 and fx is equal to psi square x. This is the condition. So let's take one example and then, so I want to solve this irrational equation. So what is the condition? This should be positive. That is the conclusion. See that psi x would be greater than equal to 0. So first thing is x plus 4 should be greater than equal to 0. And then once it is positive, you can square it. So it is 6 minus 4x minus x square is equal to x plus 4 whole square. It is bring all this term this side. This is take 2 common, it becomes, factorize it, it will become. So what will be the answers? X equal to minus 1 and minus 5. Now what is the first condition? X plus 4 should be greater than equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. Yes, it satisfies. So this is answer. X is equal to minus 1 is answer. Now check minus 5, put minus 5 here. Minus 5 plus 4, minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. No, so minus 5 is not answer. So this is how we will be solving it. Okay, now let's take another example. So I want to solve this one, root of 5 minus x square by x plus 1 equal to 0. First we will cross multiply. We will bring this term this side. So it is root of 5 minus x square is equal to x plus 1. Now this is psi x and this is fx. Psi x would be greater than equal to 0. So x plus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. And once it is positive, you can square both sides, and then 5 minus x square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, which you simplify, bring all this term this side. So take 2 common. And you can factorize it, x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So you get two values of x, that is minus 2 and 1. Now let us check. X equal to minus 2, x plus 1 greater than equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 greater than equal to 0. This is not acceptable. Put x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2 greater than equal to 0. Yes, correct. So 1. X is equal to 1 is your answer. So I think it's very clear to you guys now how to solve irrational equations. Let us move to irrational inequalities. Let us take first this type. Square root of fx is less than psi x. Now you see why I will always putting square root. If it is power 1 by 4 or 1 by 6 or 1 by 8, it will work in same way, right? So whatever I am doing for square root, it will work for fourth root also, right? For cube root, there will be no condition, just cube and get the answer. Now for this situation, what is first thing? First thing is fx would be greater than 0, right? Then it will be defined. Now second thing is psi x also must be greater than 0. Why? Because it is more than root of x and this is positive. Square root is always positive, right? Square root is always positive, right? So this means psi x is more than that, means it must be greater than 0. Once the inequality satisfies these two conditions, we can square it and simplify it. So third is fx is less than psi square x. So ultimately this system is equivalent to this inequality. So either I solve this one or I solve this one, I will be getting same thing. So inequalities like this one, I will write like this one and then solve it. Let's take one example. So let's solve this inequality. Root of 2x minus 1 less than x minus 2. First thing is 2x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. Second thing is x minus 2 should be greater than 0. And third thing is, once both are positive, square it and simplify it. That is 2x minus 1 less than x square minus 4x plus 4. Now simplify each of them. This is x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 to infinity. This is x greater than 2. That is 2 to infinity. And this is bring all this term this side. That is critical point 1 and 5 plus minus plus. We are looking for greater than 0. Positive, positive. Minus infinity to 1 union 5 to infinity. Now take intersection. Plot number line 1 by 2 to infinity. 1 by 2 included. Next is 2 to infinity, 2 excluded. And then this is 1 to minus infinity. And this is 5 to infinity. I see this is common. So answer is 5 to infinity. This is answer for this inequality. Moving to next. First thing is x square minus 3x minus 10 should be greater than or equal to 0, so that this square root is defined. Second thing is 8 minus x should be positive. And third thing is, once both are positive, square it and simplify it. That is x square minus 3x minus 10. Once you square left hand side and right hand side will become x square minus 16x plus 64. Simplify each of them one by one. This is x minus 5 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Factorize. Then critical point minus 2 and 5 plus minus plus, looking for greater than. So it is minus infinity to minus 2. Closed. Why? Because equal to sign is there. Union 5 to infinity. From here it is x is less than 8. That is minus infinity to 8. This is first and this is second. Now simplify that. X square will cancel out. Bring this side. This is 13x less than, this is 74. So x is less than 74 by 13. This is third, right? Now what we will be doing, we will be taking intersection. So plot number line. First is less than minus 2 and more than 5 included. Then this is less than 8. Third one is 74 by 13. So it is between this. So I see this is common as well as this part is common. It is minus infinity to minus 2 union 5 to 74 by 13. This is our final answer. Now moving to next type. So third type is root fx is greater than psi. So you see, for different situations we are planning in different way. First we did equal to, then we did less than, now we are doing greater than. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. First thing is fx should be greater than equal to 0. Now this root fx is positive. If psi x is negative, then it will always be positive is greater than negative. So if psi x is negative, means yes, all x satisfying this one will satisfy this two. Clear? So whatever answer I get will be answer for this inequality also. Second situation is when psi x is not less than 0 but psi x is greater than 0, and fx must be greater than equal to 0. There is no choice, right? Now if fx is greater than equal to 0 and psi x is greater than equal to 0, what we will be doing, we will squaring both sides and simplify it. So it will give us fx is greater than psi square x. So this is second situation. This is when psi x is less than 0. Very good, don't do anything, you just get the answer. Here when psi x is not greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. So we got both the situations. So what is the crux? Crux is, if you want to solve this one, this will give answer for this one as well as this one will give answer for this one. So we will be taking union of both the answers, right? So let's take an example and see how this deduction will be applied, right? Example is root under x plus 4 into x plus 3 is greater than 6 minus x. So I will focus on first, that is psi x less than 0, that is 6 minus x less than 0. And then what? fx is greater than equal to 0. X plus 4 into x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. This is first part. Second part is where 6 minus x is greater than equal to 0. X plus 4 into x plus 3 is greater than equal to 0. And when both are positive, just square them. So x plus 4 into x plus 3 is greater than 6 minus x whole square. This is second system. Solve both of them and get intersection. So this is, first part is x is greater than 6, that is 6 minus x less than 0 implies x is greater than 6, that is 6 to infinity. Second is, we can apply sign scheme on this directly. Critical point minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 plus minus plus. We are looking for greater than equal to 0 plus this and this. Minus infinity to minus 4 closed because it is greater than equal to union closed minus 3 till infinity. Now take intersection of this and this number line. 6 to infinity bubble mark. This is minus 3 minus 4. It says less than minus 4, more than minus 3. I see this is common. So it is 6 to infinity, 6 open, infinity open, right? So this is answer from first part. Now let us move to second part. What is that? First it is 6 minus x greater than equal to 0. That is x is less than equal to 6. It is minus infinity to 6. Then second part is same as this one, which I can write directly. It is, so first second part I can write it directly because it is same as what we did here. It is minus infinity to minus 4 union minus 3 to infinity. Third part I need to solve it. Third part, left hand side is x square plus 7x plus 12, right hand side it is x square minus 12x plus 36. X square cancel. 12 7 19x is greater than 24. X is greater than 24 by 19. Then what we will be doing, we will be taking intersection of 1 2 and this 3. So plot number line. It says minus infinity to 6. Second one says outside -4 and -3, and then this is saying 24 by 19, that is around between 1 and 2 here, 24 by 19. So this is like this one bubble mark, right? So this is common, that is 24 by 19, that is open till 6 close. So half answer here and half answer here. What we need to take? We need to take union, right? So take union. So it is 24 by 19 to 6, and this is 6 to infinity. If you take, it will be, if you take union, it will be 24 by 19 till infinity. This is open. So this is your final answer. So in this lecture, what we have done, we have tried to take few examples and show you how this theory will be applied. So go through this lecture. I think you should go through this lecture at least 2 times. Go through it carefully, try to write it, and then I have added some questions. So try to solve those questions. Any issues, consult me. So I end today's lecture here only. This is last class of basic maths. In the next class, I am going to start theory of equations. So thank you everyone for watching this. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on the comment section, and subscribe it. Thank you.